Hey everyone, in this video, what I want to do is show you how you can create a voice AI bot within 5 minutes that you can sell to customers for hundreds of dollars per month. That's right. Small businesses will pay you hundreds of dollars a month just for configuring this one time on their account and having voice AI being able to answer phones, collect leads, and even schedule appointments for them directly. So I want to show you how quick and easy it is to actually create an AI bot. Now, before I do that, I'm going to introduce you to one tool that I've been using for many years called GoHighLevel. That's what we're actually going to do this in. Now, there are tens of thousands of AI tools on the market right now. Some of them are easy, some of them are expensive, some of them are complicated. I want to show you GoHighLevel because I want to show you just how quickly you can actually get a voice AI bot, if you will, configured up and going for your customer. This right here is the problem that I see most people facing, the speed of implementation. Yes, it's great that you can get a customer, but how quickly can you get that customer set up and show them that you can help solve a problem of being able to answer their phone calls 24/7, 365, no matter how many people call at once. Now, keep in mind, even if they have a full-time receptionist, that receptionist's job is pretty much not always answering the phone. It's also going to be doing invoicing, maybe pulling permits, maybe following up with other customers, as well as answering phone calls. But the problem with with a live person, they can only answer one phone call at a time. That's it, just one. While they're on the phone call with that customer, if they get a second call, that call now has to go to voicemail. Now, if they don't call that customer back immediately, for the most part, that customer is going to call somebody else and they're going to hire somebody else because they're going to be able to pick up the phone. Now, with voice AI bots, the cool thing about them is that you can have a limited number of calls calling at the same time, and AI will answer each call uniquely. So this is the problem that you see people have right now, is that even if they have a full-time receptionist, they can't always answer the phone 24/7. So let's hop in and take a look, and let me show you how easy it is to do this. Let me minimize myself, move myself out of the way. So this right here is called GoHighLevel. Now, just real quick, if you want to do some research on them, they've been around for many years. They are the market leader in small marketing and sales services. Now, if you want to GoHighLevel.com, that's also a name that they've been known by. But this right here is a tool I've been using for many years. I use it to run my business and so do tens of thousands of other people. And it's my pleasure to bring this tool to you to show you just how easy it is to configure it. And this is only what I'm going to show you, creating a voice AI bot, is only one tool of hundreds of tools that you actually get. So let me show you real quick. This is a demo account. Now, just to be fair, I did say 5 minutes. So right now, let's go ahead and just say, if you've got the timer or whatever, start your plots now. Okay, so before we get started, one of the things we actually need in GoHighLevel is we need to get a phone number set up. Now, here we're just going to go to our settings. There's an area right here called the phone system. We would come here. Now, I already have a phone number, but if you wanted to, you can click on add number, choose a phone number. You could find a number in your area code, click on the number here, click purchase to buy. That takes about 30-45 seconds to go through and actually have it set up. So that right there would take a part of this. Now, I already have the phone number configured. So right now, let's just go ahead and make sure we use that number. I'm actually going to copy that because I'm going to use this later. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come under the voice AI agents area. Now here for the voice AI agents, we're going to go ahead and say create agent. Now there's a whole marketplace that GoHighLevel has where you can buy really cool ones that have been really fully developed and mature. But let's just not do that. Let's just create a basic one. We're going to create a custom agent right here and move on. Now it's going to produce this with a wizard, and there are many options that you can have in here. I'm just trying to show you some of the basics to keep within the 5 minutes that I promise you. But I'm just want to show you. Let's just say you have a name. You can give your agent a name, business name. I'm going to call this Frank's Plumbing. So even though this isn't Frank's Plumbing, I'm going to call it that. I could choose my language, and there's multiple different languages that you could choose from. Here it is bilingual. You could choose whatever voice you want. There are many different voices, but I'm just going to leave it as Jessica. You could choose your AI model. I'm just going to leave it as the ChatGPT 4.0 for right now. Choose your time zone. You could do all of those things here. Now here in the bottom, it says, this is how the voice AI is going to respond. I'm just going to say, oh, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to put Frank's Plumbing. So here it's going to say, hi, you have reached Frank's Plumbing. How can I help you today? Again, very simple, very basic. You can customize it however you want later on. So right now we're going to go ahead and click next. For the knowledge base, this is how you train the AI system. Now I already have lots of different, what they call knowledge bases or databases that can actually program the AI on things and questions and answers about your business, specifically about the plumber's business. I have one here for plumber's knowledge base. If you do want to sign up with me, there is a free 30-day trial link for GoHighLevel in the description. You'll get a bunch of stuff, including all these knowledge bases with it to help you out. So right now we want to say whenever they call, let me get their name, let me get their email address, their address, and then the contact issue. We can sit back and actually send an email to somebody if we want to after the call goes through. I'm going to turn that off for right now and go ahead and click on next. Here we're going to just simply choose the phone number that we purchased earlier. Now, I do want to make this the primary, so I don't want to make this the backup. I'm going to turn this off, enable the AI agent as backup. I don't want to do that. You typically would do that if somebody's answering the phone call, like a voice receptionist, and then they can't answer. then it can fail over to AI, but I'm just going to have AI answer the phone all the time. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click save. So that's it. Click stop your time. Okay, that right there is it. We have now configured a basic voice AI bot that's going to be able to answer the phone and respond to plumbing questions from somebody. If we wanted to, we can go in and configure this voice AI agent a little bit more complicated to have it do like appointment calendar bookings, to schedule an appointment, things like that. But for right now, I just want to simply show you how quickly it was to get a voice AI agent, how easy it is to do this, and how you can do this for any number of clients and charge them hundreds of dollars a month. Just think about this. What would a small business pay to have a virtual employee answering their phones 24/7? Okay, imagine if you could just save your receptionist 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours per day being on the phone, and then reallocate those 3 hours of time to doing something else for the business that's more productive than necessarily answering the phones. So just trying to give you an idea of how businesses can use AI and why they would want this service. There are thousands of people out there going out to businesses selling this every single day. And we're not talking about charging customers thousands of dollars a month, but $500 a month is pretty realistic for this service, for what we've just done here. Now, let me show you how it works. Let me come over here to another account that I have, and I'm going to call, that's why I copied the phone number here. I'm going to call this number, and we're going to listen to the AI and just kind of show you just real quick, right out of the box, within that under 5 minutes of how we can create this AI bot. Let's go ahead and listen.
Hey, you have reached Frank's Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I've got a toilet that's backed up and I need some assistance. Can you help me?
Of course. Let me first gather some details so we can assist you better. Could you please start by sharing your name?
Sure, but before I give you my name, can you tell me how much your services are? Like, how much do you price and how much would you charge me to come out?
I'm unable to find specific pricing details right now, but a team member will call you back to provide accurate information about our service charges and call-out fees. In the meantime, could you please share your name so we can assist you further?
Sure, not a problem at all. My name is Rayo Daniel.
Thanks, Rayo. Let me confirm that. RAYODANIEL, right?
Yes.
Great, Rayo. Could you please share your email address so we can contact you?
Sure, it's ray@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's ray@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Could you also share your address so we know where to assist you?
Not right now.
No problem at all, Rayo. Lastly, just to confirm, you're dealing with a backed up toilet, correct?
That's correct.
Got it. A team member will reach out to you shortly to assist with your backed up toilet. Thanks for reaching out, Rayo, and we'll make sure to get this resolved for you quickly. Have a great day.
Thank you. So right there, let me go ahead and just blow this back up. So now you see, okay, now that wasn't absolute perfect. As a matter of fact, one of the things that I did not include in my knowledge bases, because the knowledge bases I'm providing were typically for everybody. So I didn't want to include pricing information inside there, but just notice what the AI did. It just simply responded. I don't have that. A team member could come across that. So the AI did respond to the person's request very politely, very informatively, and then continue to gather information. Now, with that information, you can now take that information, that lead, that name, that email address, phone number, all that information has been stored inside of the CRM system, the customer relationship management system of HighLevel. And that information can now be sent and notified to a team member to actually have them call this particular person back. But notice we did not miss the phone call. We actually got a phone call. Now, if we wanted to, again, we could go extreme on this. We can actually have the agent actually book a service appointment for us if we wanted to, but that would take a few more minutes of configuration. But ultimately, just from what we did in under 5 minutes, what just happened is incredibly amazing and very easy. I didn't have to program anything. I didn't have to sit back and do a lot of AI prompt building or anything like that. We went through a wizard. We answered a few questions about what voice we want to use, what AI system we want to use, how we want to answer the phone. We chose the phone number. We did a few things, nothing very complicated at all. Now, let me ask you this. How many of these could you do in a day? Could you configure 10 of these in a day for your customers? Exactly my point. You could be charging $200, $300, $500 per month to have somebody do this, just to sit back and answer the phone, collect lead information so that the customers don't lose it. That's the biggest thing. Now that the customer spoke to somebody and spoke to an AI, gave them their information, now the customer actually has a lead to follow up on. Now, there's several other things that you could do behind the scenes, and I'll show you if you're interested and teach you how to do all this stuff inside of my training. And I also offer coaching calls for people if you want to be able to set up AI systems like this. But again, I want to show you how quickly and easy using HighLevel, you can actually set up an AI bot and get it working that quickly. So I hope you understand just how quickly this is and what a great opportunity AI is going to be making for people, because businesses need your help. They need help right now because they are working, they're growing. And what they don't want is they don't want to sit back and take time and do consultations to consult with people about how they can grow their business with AI. It's much simpler if you just simply walk into some place and said, hey, let me show you an example, just what I've shown you right here, of how AI can help you. And I could put this in place starting tomorrow. And I charge you $400, $500 per month for this service. And you never lose a lead again. And the person answering the phones, even if they're out sick, it doesn't matter if it's a snow day. It doesn't matter if it's whatever weather conditions. If nobody can get into the office, the voice AI bot is still going to be responding 24/7. Now, here's another kicker. If you ever decide to go after clients that have 24-hour service, this is a bonus. This is icing on the cake. Why? Because if you have a 24-hour emergency service, these people are most likely using some form of an answering service, call center, something. How much is that call center costing? My guess is probably somewhere between $150 and $300 per month is what they're paying just to have an answering service answer the phone after 5 o'clock, but before 7 or 8 o'clock the next morning. What if they could take that $150 or $300, cancel that service, and now reallocate that money toward your $500 service? How much less are they charging now? So if you're charging $500 and they're paying $200 for an after-hour service that now you can do the exact same service, they're only paying $300 a month for your services. Super cheap. And now they consolidate everything into one system. There are so many different possibilities that people are using to create AI bots and selling these to small businesses. It's crazy. So if you're interested, click on the link below. There is a 30-day free trial to get signed up for GoHighLevel. I do have a free course. If you sign up for my free course, it will walk you through that AI employee playbook, which is a training program that goes through, shows you how you can do all this to make sure that you're interested. And if you are, sign up with me. Again, you get 30 days free before you even get charged for the software, so you can go out and get customer, and I will personally help you get everything set up. This right here was not a part of the original video. It's something I thought of, actually ended the previous video. So this is something I should have brought up. I want to show you how to create a different kind, not just a voice AI bot. We've already covered that, but one of the other problems that businesses have is they don't have anything interactive. There's no bot or widget on their website that can interact with customers, answer questions, and things like that. So a lot of the website leads that businesses get end up being wasted. Now, the worst case scenario is that they look at the contact information on the website and then they call the number, which in turn goes back to the voice AI that we already set up. But what I wanted to show you here is how GoHighLevel also has the ability to create a very cool, multi-faceted chat widget or chat bot that can actually be placed on the website. And this can also be used to help get you that $500 or even more per month. Because not only are you going to answer their phones, now you're going to be able to sit back and monitor and help website visitors and convert them doing the same type of approach. So let me show you how this works. Let me go ahead and minimize myself to get myself out of the way here. So here, what we're going to do, we're going to come down to our sites area. And forgive me, there are literally hundreds of tools inside of this platform. So forgive me if you guys get a bit distracted. But what we're looking for here is what's called a chat widget. Now, first of all, I want to show you, this is what the website that I have configured that I'm showing you today. Notice I'm going to refresh it. There is nothing, there's no bots, there's no widgets that are popping up on the screen that are interacting with people. And this is what we're going to fix. So here, again, I'm going to go back to here. We're going to click on chat widget. This is where we configure the chat widget. Now, I'm just trying to be a little bit funny, but also serious at the same time. Go ahead and start your clock. Remember, creating AI bot in 5 minutes. Click start. All right. So here we're going to click on new. Here are all the different chat bots that you have to configure from. I'm going to move this over a little bit. I'm going to configure this all in one because I think that's my personal favorite, and I'm going to explain why. But you can do any of these other ones if you want a very specific chat widget. Now, one of the things I'm not going to be able to demonstrate is the WhatsApp chat. Now, WhatsApp integration is available inside of GoHighLevel. It does cost a little bit more per month, but if you are foreign or outside the US and WhatsApp is your main form of communication, you can integrate that into your website chat widget. Again, not a problem, but I don't have WhatsApp configured in this demo account, so it won't show up as an option. But what I like is the all-in-one chat widget because this gives your customer the ability to choose what platform or what communication method they want to be contacted with from you, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Move myself over. Now notice right here, the chat type. We can select or deselect any of these. So we have live. Notice WhatsApp is not selected because I don't have it configured, but they can do SMS or email. I'll show you what that is. Voice AI. So we've already done voice AI where people can call. Well, this voice AI actually allows you to sit back and call the business and get the same response that we just saw from the website without having to dial a physical number. Pretty cool. Hold on, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So you have Facebook and Instagram integration. Now, I'm going to be upfront. If you do want Facebook and Instagram integration, there is another part in the settings. You have to go and actually connect your Facebook and Instagram account. Very quick. That takes less than 5 minutes to do as well. But once you do that, now you have Facebook Messenger and you have Instagram DMs available to communicate back and forth with your customers. So right now, again, I know the clock's ticking, so we have all these different styles that you could choose from. So you could change the colors. You could do widget customizations. You can make it appear in different sections of the screen. If you want to, I'm going to have it just appear down where it is right now in the bottom right corner. Here in the chat window, this right here, notice this is what the chat window looks like. You can customize the blue. You can customize the avatar, have a question. All of the things that you see here are completely customizable, but I don't want to spend the time going over everything of how to customize this. I just want to show you how you actually get this thing set up. So again, messaging, this goes back to once you actually message it, what kind of acknowledgement do you get? Language, I do want to point out there are multiple languages on this as well. So you do have that choice of a different language. And then of course your agent. Here you can actually select which agent you want to configure it. We're just going to use the same agent that we created in the previous video. You're going to name it. So that's all good. And I'm going to click save. So right now, click stop your watch. That's it. You have just now created a website chatbot that now you're going to be able to use. Now, of course, just like anything, we just created the raw fundamental placeholder for this. Now I'm going to show you how it works, but to really get the best benefit of this, there are some additional configurations. I'm going to be upfront. It may take you a half an hour to go through and configure some of the automations and some of the other things. And again, if you're interested, there is a 30-day free trial link in the video description below. That is my affiliate link. Once you sign up with my affiliate link, I'm going to give you a ton of stuff that's going to help you build your AI business, as well as a personal coaching for me. So just remember that. So right now, what I want to do is show you what this looks like now. So we're going to come back to the website, and this is the website that's in question. I'm going to show you how easy this is to configure. So again, with websites, you can configure, you can have unlimited number of websites. When I say unlimited, 1,000 websites. Why you'd want to have that much, I don't know, but you can inside of HighLevel. Doesn't cost you anymore. Unlimited funnels, unlimited chat widgets. And that's one of the things I love about HighLevel is that they don't nickel and dime you for all the specific things. They give you everything as much as you want. So I like that. So here, if you go to settings, real quick inside the settings, it's just this little chat widget right here. All you have to do is select which one you want. I'm going to choose chat widget number 1, and then I'm going to click on save. Now, one of the things about this, I will say that when you do this, especially when I'm doing demo purposes like this, sometimes the chat widget could take a minute or two to actually show up on the site. But let's just see what it's like here. I'm going to give it just a second, and let's just see, hit refresh. And should be popping up here in the bottom right corner. There it is. Awesome. So it did work. So now if we click on this, we see now this is another offering that you could offer your customer. So not only can you answer the phones 24/7, eliminate the after hours call center, all the stuff that we talked about. Now you can also give them a point of presence where their customers get the choice of what communication platform or channel that they want to use to communicate with you. And you can communicate and have HighLevel respond on all of these different channels. Okay. But right now, one of the newest things is this chat with voice. It is pretty cool. So if you click on this, you can just simply, if somebody wants to call, they can just simply click here and just simply say, call us here. See if we can turn up the volume.
Hey, you have reached Frank's Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Now, I'm not going to go over and do the same thing that we did in the last video. I just want to show you what the same person, the same agent that we talked to in the last voice AI agent is the exact same agent that gets done here. So they will collect the information. They will connect the first name, last name, the address. They can even book an appointment. All of the same stuff is available right here on this particular widget. And you saw how fast it was to create this. So again, HighLevel has all of these different tools, but I really wanted to throw this in there as well because I thought this was super cool. And this might push you over the top to actually get a trial up and going to actually show you how this works. But again, if you're looking for this, there's a free trial in the description below that gives you 30 free days. Please do not go to the GoHighLevel.com site and sign up there because you will not get any of the bonuses and benefits from me, and you'll only get 14 days free trial. You won't get the 30 days. 30 days is just something that HighLevel gives their larger affiliates to help promote their product more. So again, thanks so much for hanging in there with me. If you want to start your own AI business, this is the platform to do it. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.